Environmental is the topic, and our topic of discussion we are going to talk about that sources of light. There are two main sources of light. The first one is called natural sources of light. Number two is called artificial sources of light. Under natural sources of light, it means that these are types of light that exist on their own and therefore no man brings them into existence. For instance, you have sun, which is the main source of light. We have stars, we have moon, we have firefly and glowworms. Glowworms and fireflies, these are small animals that are able to produce their own light. If we talk about artificial sources of light, they are also known as man-made sources of light. They include torch, moon, fire, electricity, candles. We can talk about lamps. We can talk about lamps. They also produce their own light. These types of light, they are made by people. For example, we have got a man is able to make for example, a man is able to make a torch to produce light. A man is able to to make a torch to produce light. And we know that we use torch at night. Fire, we can make our own fire. We have electricity, we have candles, and we have lamps. There are a number of them that we mentioned. And the next one is uses of light. Why do we use light? We use light to see clearly. Without light, we cannot see very well. We use light to read comfortably. We use light to avoid injuries. We use light to take photographs. And above all, we can also say that plants also use light to make their own food. Plants also use light to make their own food. For instance, if you are asked the following questions, how can you give the answer? Name two main sources of light. We said that we have natural sources of light and artificial sources of light. Question two, name four main sources of light. Sun, moon, stars, firefly, and glowworms. Next one, if you are told to draw three sources of light, you can either draw sun, you can draw stars, you can draw a moon. You can draw sun, stars, and moon under the sources of light. Uses, I told you that light is used for seeing clearly, light is used to avoid accidents, light is used to discourage pests, and light is also used by plants to make their own food. And I use it again as I repeat, it is used to see clearly. Without light, you cannot see. It is used for taking photographs. Without light, you cannot take photographs. It is used by plants to make their own food. It is used by us to read. Without light, we cannot read.